Large projects can be difficult to navigate, but not with Ideate Explorer. We've added two significant improvements to Ideate Explorer 2012, speed and access to work sharing. Let's take a peek. Let's run a quick speed test with Explorer 2011. As it starts, it is indexing the elements within the current view. Next, we'll select the entire project to index all of the elements. In version 2011, Explorer might take between a few seconds or a few minutes depending upon the number of elements. The file we're using here is a 23 megabyte Revit MEP file. In this 2011 speed test, the results are about 12,000 items in 16 seconds. Now let's run the same test in version 2012. Because we've re-engineered the indexing process, the indexing time has been cut in half. This means a 250 megabyte project will take less than a minute to index. And once it's indexed, the project can be explored with ease. By default, Explorer will display all your indexed elements by category, but you can also browse by level first and then category. Finding elements based upon their zone, space, or even room can be incredibly helpful for more sophisticated editing. As we browse by room here, we can dig down through the levels to the category, down to the instance level. All of these methods of browsing are part of Ideate Explorer 2011. Now, in version 2012, Explorer lets you search your data by Workset. In this example, as we browse Workset 1, we can see that there are two Revit links. It's our recommendation to store your links in a separate Workset, so let's use Explorer to do just that. After selecting the elements, exit Explorer and note that the selection set is pushed to the Properties palette. Use Revit to make the switch from Workset 1 to the Links Workset. Using Explorer again, we see this change with two items now showing up in the Links Workset. And lastly, we can also view elements according to the element owner. Here, Ideate Software is borrowing elements from both Links and Workset 1. Ideate Explorer lets you easily search your Revit project for hard-to-find elements so that you can quickly make the edits you need. Explorer is also the #1 tool for auditing Revit projects and nipping them in the bud. Learn more at ideateexplorer.com.